Hello, welcome to our Collegiate Shag workshop review
from Saturday, January 28th, 2023.
So for this, I was following
and I was leading. And we'll just show the basic footwork we did.
Yeah. We started with our vanilla basic, so follows your weight is on your left,
leads weight on your right, and we go step, scoot, click, click, step, scoot, click, click, slow, slow, click, click, slow, slow, click, click. Click, click, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we did a step kick basic, which maybe we'll face forward and then turn around. Which again leads weight on right,
follows on left,
and we go step, kick, click, click, step, kick, click, click, step, kick. Click, click, slow, slow, click, 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 click. And we talked about keeping the pulse in our lower bodies and thinking of like if there's a ceiling above our heads we don't want to bounce up and down.
We also talked about the kicks coming from the knee, sort of like you've got a doctor poking your knee at the doctor's office, and also that the kicks are on the even beats, unlike in Charleston where they're on the odd beats.
And I think about when I take my step, I prep for my kick at the same time.
Okay.
Cool. So then we connect it up. This frame is a little different from other swing dance styles. And we just both want to hold our own weight in the arms here and also just kind of go where it's comfortable.
We also talked about you can have the connection a little lower, more at your shoulder height if that's more comfortable for you.
And then we're kind of staggered and present in the connection here. Lindsay and I like to have our arms a little higher up. In the basic and connection looks like this. So slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And then we did some transitions.
So open and back to close. So the lead is making most of the movement on those, in and out.
Then the first move we did was a tuck turn and closed. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. We talked about prepping and having the compression there, and then releasing and follows turning on the quick, quick.
Yep. Next move.
Second move we did, breaks and closed. Looks like this. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, 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 slow. Hey.
We talked about having the leaders having frame and kind of going a little more down to indicate something's happening.
And that is a break in the 6 count footwork, and we just did 4 slows, but you can do any even number amounts of them.
Yep.
And then the third move we did was a break and open called camel hops. And slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick.
And just like the breaks and close, you can do any number of those as well.
We talked about the lead on this is more subtle, where I'm just kind of turning away from my follow and then I'm compressing in. And then when I stretch out is when I can release the tension and go back the basic footwork. Couple of little things. Usually when we get more into open is when we transition to our step kick footwork. And there's also some other variations you can do, which are like a tap back. So tap back, quick, quick, tap back, quick, quick, slide backs. Hitch kicks. Double kicks.
Yep, and we also just mentioned that you can also do side-by-side connection.
Oh, right.
And we usually kick for these.
Super fun, super cute. Hey.